Hi everybody, my name is Louisa. Welcome to my channel. This month's bargain bead box subscription for August is absolutely beautiful. I am so in love with the colors. They are very neutral kind of colors, a lot of earth tones, some hints of peach or coral, and some reddish tones. But anyway, I just love this month's collection, and I'm looking forward to putting something together with you. We're going to be using some picture jasper beads, some red agate beads. The metals are a silver tone, and there's some really pretty components this month. So anyway, I'm really looking forward to coming up with something. But before we do, I'm going to put the beads down on a tray so we can take a quick look. I'm not going to go into any great detail with each one. I just want to take a quick peek, and then we'll dig down and come up with something. Alright, so I've gone ahead and arranged all the packets on my bead tray so I can take a quick look at the August shipment. And so far, I'm really liking what I'm seeing. I see a lot of earthy tones and a few bursts of color here and there. These are really kind of cool. These are called barrel and embossed barrel beads. And then we've got a couple of sunburst pendants right here. Pretty cool. And then I love these bicones in the, I guess they're rondelles. I'm sorry, they're rondelles in a lemon chiffon opal color. Very pretty. And then of course we've got bead caps. We've got some chain right here. These are kind of cool. These are a couple of toggle clasps with that same sunburst theme going on, and some charms with sunbursts on them. And then this is a really pretty color. This is called Magma Aurora Borealis 4mm bicones. And then I love these large jasper beads. I think they're, let's see what size they are. They're 8mm size. And then we've got some smaller ones. Actually, no, these are not the jasper. I'm sorry. These are actually, let's see, number 10. Okay, so these are the jasper. I was correct the first time. These are the ones that I wanted to point out. These are fossil coral round beads in a 10mm size. Very pretty. And then we've got that same kind of peachy color going on with these satin, they call them satin beads. Very pretty. And then some jasper beads in a 6mm size. And again, the same jasper color in a 4mm size, but these are like matte. There's no sheen on them at all. And then I love this large pendant in the same jasper stone. And then last but not least, these are absolutely gorgeous. This is a dark red agate Q bead. Very pretty. So anyway, I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with this one. Of course, we've got spacer beads as well. That usually comes with every shipment. And bead caps, I think I mentioned it already. So I'm going to have a lot of fun creating something with this. I love the colors, they're very neutral. Anyway, we'll see what I can come up with, and I'll see you soon. everybody. Okay, so I had an absolute blast creating with these beads. There were so many options, and I just, couldn't stop. I could not stop my ideas from flowing. I had so many of them rolling around in my head. It was very difficult because then I had to decide what to do, with limited amount of beads. Even though Bag and Bead Box gives you tons of beads, there's only so many pieces you can create. And so I was able to make 3 necklaces, 3 bracelets, and about 6 pairs of earrings. And so I didn't have that much left over by the time I got done, but anyway, you're looking at the first creation. This is a 3-strand necklace, as you can see. It came out beautiful, and this pendant, this beautiful jasper pendant, I decided I wanted to dangle something in front of it. I don't know why. It just, it seemed to me something new, something different. Anyway, I thought that was a great idea, and so that's what I did. I used a little bit of chain there. I used that gorgeous barrel bead that came with a subscription, and here are the earrings to match. So anyway, overall, I thought it came out really, really nice. Just absolutely beautiful colors. I also used the gorgeous clasp that came with the subscription in the back and the chain. And in addition to the earrings that you see right there, I came up with some other ideas. Here's a bracelet that matched the necklace using the same kind of beads and using the charm that came with the box. Absolutely gorgeous. And I also made a couple of other earrings. Here's another pair that go really well with the necklace. And I made a 3rd set of earrings. I just couldn't make up my mind which ones would look best, but I think all 3 look really gorgeous. They all have the same bead, so it really doesn't matter. You can mix and match. So anyway, that's it for this design. I'm going to go ahead and put it on a tray so we can take a closer look at it. Okay, so I've gone ahead and put it on a tray so we can take a closer look, and here it is. Here are all the pieces. There's the pendant, as you can see. I made a bail with some wire wrapping, and then I attached the charms to that with some crystals as well. Here's the larger beads, and here are the rondelles that came with as a subscription. And so yeah, here it is. I absolutely love how it turned out. I thought it turned out pretty nice. Here's the bracelet. I used some beading wire for the bracelet with some crimps, and there's the earrings and the other 2 pairs of earrings that match. But in reality, you can pretty much, everything that I've made today, you can mix and match because, of course, the beads are all very similar and the colors are all pretty much, compatible. So, this is it. I hope you like it. All right, so here's the second design. So when I first looked at the beads, I just could not help visualizing a bohemian style necklace. So I decided to do a double strand necklace using leather cord, and it's a very thin leather cord. It's the 0.5 millimeter leather cord, and in a metallic kind of finish. So here it is. I did use some Chinese crystals to give it a little sparkle, and these are from my own stash. They did not come with the subscription. But anyway, I thought it turned out pretty nice. Here's the earrings using the same components that came with the subscription, the same component that I used in the pendant itself. And then in addition to this, I wanted to do a multi-strand bracelet. So what I did is I used some memory wire. And here's the multi-strand. Well, it's not multi-strand, it's memory wire. It's a coil, so it looks multi-strand. Using the same beads, including the Chinese crystals to give it some sparkle. And I used 3 of the cube beads as focal beads right there. And I thought it turned out pretty nice. There's a little charm that came with a box and some seed beads. And I'm pretty happy with this one. I absolutely love it. So in addition to the earrings that you see on the necklace display, I made another pair to match this necklace, and here they are, using the Chinese crystals. the rondelles, and the jasper beads. So overall, I was very, very pleased with how this one turned out. So let me go ahead and put it on a tray and we'll take a closer look. All right, so here's the second piece with a leather cord. Absolutely gorgeous. I just love it. As you can see, I used a little bit of chain up there and a lobster clasp. And here's the, very simple knots. I didn't do anything fancy on the knots. And here's the cube bead and the larger beads that came with it. The coral, I guess it's the fossil coral beads, and the Chinese crystals, the satin bead, the chandelier component with the jasper beads. Here's the bracelet, using the memory wire and seed beads from my own stash. And I also used, some other spacer beads from my own stash, and the crystals as well, the rondelle crystals. Very pretty with the charm and the earrings to match, using the bicones that came with a subscription, and the extra pair that I made using the rondelle crystals from my own stash. So here's the whole thing, and I absolutely love how it looks, and it looks really good on. I know the leather doesn't look great when it's sitting on the tray, but when you put it on and everything's hanging properly, it straightens out. So that's it. I hope you like it. Okay, last but not least, here's my third design. I am so happy with this one. This one came out really, really nice. I just love these beautiful cube beads. They feel so good when you put it on, and I love this pendant and the earrings that look absolutely gorgeous. I used some of those silver barrel beads as well. Just absolutely beautiful. I love this necklace because it's so versatile. You can wear it to a formal event, you can wear it casual. It's just really, really nice, and I just love how it feels. In addition to this, I also made a bracelet. So here it is. It has the same cube beads, 3 of them, and then the bicone crystals give it a little sparkle. And here's that gorgeous sunburst clasp. So I'm really happy with how this one turned out. Really beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on a bead tray so we can take a closer look at everything. So here's the third and final piece. This is probably my favorite piece just because it just feels so good when you wear it, and it's so wearable. You can wear it to many occasions. Not too overdone, not too big, just right. It's a very nice length, and I love the simplicity of the pendant, and I adore these beads. These are absolutely gorgeous. They're stunning, especially when the light hits them, and when you're outdoors and the sun hits them, you can see all the colors, all the depth. So yeah, so here's a close-up. As you can see, I put the jasper beads in between the cube beads, and then I used the smaller 4mm beads up the rest of the necklace, along with some seed beads. These are 8/0 seed beads. And I used the same seed beads in between the 4mm jasper beads. And there's the clasp, and here's the bracelet with the 3 focal beads, the cube beads as focal beads, and the 2 larger fossil coral beads that came with a subscription. And there's the earrings. Very, very pretty, and I'm very happy overall. I hope you like it. Alright everybody, so here's everything, all of the pieces on my bead tray. I am really happy with the way everything turned out. I just absolutely love the colors and the beads for this month. It helped me to, come up with some neat ideas, and I hope that I've inspired you as well to come up with some pieces of your own. And if you do come up with some pieces, it would be really great if you could post them and share them with everybody. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I'm a relatively new YouTuber, so whatever thumbs up I can get, I really appreciate. And I'm looking forward to the next video. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.